Hey everybody, it's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and today we are at Uzi's Beach down in Dauin. It's Sunday, it's kind of hot out, so we came down here to enjoy the water. So let's take a quick tour of Uzi's Beach Resort, I guess you'd call it. Alright, so Uzi's is across from Bongo Dive School and Dive Adventures. And the first thing you notice about this place is it's somebody's house. This is actually owned by a Swiss gentleman and his wife, who are very nice people. And he's been here for about 30 years. He's got grandkids here, and one of his grandkids lives right here. And they just have this available to people to come down for the day. It's a reasonable cost. It's only 30 pesos per person. That's about 60 cents. And then it's about 150 pesos to rent chairs and a little table with an umbrella. That's 150 pesos. That's like $3. They also have beverages. They have showers. They have freshwater shower for after you go swimming, you want to get the salt off. They got changing rooms, as you can see. They got places to cook. And as you can see, it's Sunday, and there's quite a few people here. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of people here. And they have a refreshment center if you need to get sodas, chips, fudge bars, anything like that. They got swings for the kids, that's new. Some of the little areas you can rent have hammocks, which is cool. You can also get snorkeling gear. You can rent snorkeling gear here. You can rent flotation vests for those who aren't really good swimmers. And you can see all the dive boats for Bongo, Harold's Mansion. All of them are here. And they bounce back and forth between Apo, which is right over there. And it's just a good day. There's all kinds of things to do. They got people flying kites, you got volleyball, you got badminton, people playing frisbee earlier, snorkeling, swimming, you name it. I was just actually talking to somebody. If you're a kid growing up in Dauin, must be pretty cool, because this is basically your playground, and the boats are like their jungle gyms. Because there's no liability insurance, so the owners of the boats don't care if the kids jump all over the boats and jump off them, using them as diving boards. And the kids will just do that. They'll climb up on the boats, they'll jump off. They'll climb up on the boats, they'll jump off. They'll do that all day until they're exhausted. And yeah, it's just a great time. So here's some footage of some of the things that I did while I was here today. I did some snorkeling and saw the sights and did some other things. Yeah, life is good.